Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the hole and trimming ragged threads. Do this now to avoid bulk later. Once trimmed, press the area flat and mark a precise stitch path. This guides tension and pattern. Insert a small stabilizer behind thin denim if needed. Make sure it lies smooth. Thread your needle with a durable polyester or nylon thread matching the denim color and double it for strength. By preparing carefully, you set up even stitches and prevent puckering during the repair. Begin sewing from the center of the tier outward to distribute tension evenly. Use a tight running stitch to catch edges, then fill with satin-style bar stitching to bridge the gap. Once done with the base, layer diagonal stitches crossing the initial rows. This creates a durable weave that mimics denim grain. Make sure to keep stitches uniform in length and tension. Inconsistent pulling causes rippling. Pause to press the work flat occasionally. Ironing sets stitches, and finish by anchoring your thread with a small triple backstitch on the underside, and trim the tail to a short length so it won't snag. Once secured, press the area with steam and add a visible top stitch around the repair to fuse layers and reinforce edges. If the denim puckers or pulls, don't panic. Restretch the fabric gently, loosen stitch tension, and re-sew problem rows with slightly longer stitches. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues and ensures the repair holds through washing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.